Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jacobs. If you have joint pain, here are 5 foods to avoid. 1. Refined sugar and sweets. Sugar triggers inflammation by increasing cytokines and oxidative stress. High sugar intake is linked to worsened arthritis symptoms and joint stiffness, found in sodas, pastries, candy, and processed snacks. 2. Processed and red meats. These contain advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which promote inflammation. They are high in saturated fats, which may worsen joint pain and swelling. Found in bacon, hot dogs, sausages, and fast food burgers. 3. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pasta, and pastries spike blood sugar and increase inflammation. They are linked to higher C-reactive protein levels, a key inflammation marker. Opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and gluten-free options. 4. Dairy products. Some people experience increased inflammation from casein, a protein in dairy. This can worsen joint pain and stiffness, especially in those sensitive to dairy. Consider dairy alternatives like almond, coconut, or oat milk. 5. Vegetable and seed oils. Oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which fuel inflammation. An imbalance of omega-6 to omega-3 can trigger chronic joint pain. Opt for healthier fats like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. Want to reduce inflammation and heal your joints naturally? My book Eat to Heal covers the ASTR Diet, an anti-inflammatory approach to reducing pain through food. Click the link below to get your copy today.